Għal. Mflok abdu t-taxxi, abdu t-taxi.
Hey guys, in our last video we gave you a brief preview of what we're making for Christmas. Some Christmas eggs, which we're going to be giving out to our friends at the junior college. Now, in this video we're going to show you what we did to make them. But firstly, here's what we needed. We got the chocolate eggs, which we're going to be putting inside them. We got the white halves, we've got the red halves, we got the papers with a little message from us inside it. We got a quick question for you. What do you think is faster to put these papers in this? We got method 1, which is mine. You got paper on the tip of your finger. Put it around quickly. Hold the edge. Simply put your finger in the egg and release. Or else there's Jean's method, where he simply just says rolling it up. So we're going to do it in front of the camera together. We got a chocolate, got the paper, we got the bottom piece. So we're going to start together.
1, 2, 3, go!
Guys, all the eggs are done. We got everything we need in them. We got all the papers, we got the chocolates. Now all we have to do is count them. We'll leave that till the end of the video. Well, this is the end of the video. We'll see you whenever we make a new video. We're planning a new one, aren't we?
Yes, yes.
We got a big video coming up for you guys. Stay tuned.
$134 eggs.